Ooh wee, baby. The way you make me feel. You make me feel like, I don't know, like the first time I saw you, and you saw me, and we became we, and ooh wee, baby. The way you make me feel like the first time I touched you, and you touched me, and the electricity. Ooh wee.
We now know how the 19-year-old woman who was found dead in a hotel freezer died. The Cook County Medical Examiner's Office ruled Kenneka Jenkins' death accidentally from cold exposure, also alcohol intoxication, and the use of a drug for treating epilepsy and migraines were significant contributing factors. Surveillance videos released by police show Jenkins alone wandering through the Crowne Plaza Hotel in Rosemont last month. It shows her walking into a kitchen area, but never into the freezer. Her death sparked protests outside the hotel and allegations of a cover-up.